அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Academic year 2023-24 Term 3 Module 1 7B Responding to Situation. 4 group students frontல வந்து ரீடிங் கார்டை படிச்சு 4 different situationsக்கு எப்படி ரெஸ்பாண்ட் பண்றாங்கன்னு பார்க்கலாம்.
Yeah. Come on, read it.
You are in a park. You see an old man.
Very good. Next.
He takes a purse from the bag. He takes some things from it.
Very good.
Then keeps the purse on the bench. Now he leaves the place. The purse is on the bench. What will you do?
What will you do? Others listen here. You are in a park. You are in a park. You see an old man. You see an old man. He takes a purse from the bag. He takes the purse from the bag. He takes something from it. Then he keeps the purse on the bench. Now he leaves the place. What will you do? Now the purse is on the bench. What will you do? Yes?
I will take the purse and give it to that old man.
Very good. Give a good clap for him. Yes. He is an old man, isn't it? So he forgot it. So what will he do? Take the purse and call the old man and give it to him. Very good. Again, give a good clap for him. Good. Well done. Sit down. Very good. Now you can go to your place. Next team, come out. Good. Now you did it.
The school bell ring, you pack.
Rings.
Rings, you are pack your things in your bag.
Very good. Next.
You go home, at home, you open your bag.
Very good. Now you read it.
The school bell ring, you pack.
Rings.
Rings, you pack your things in your bag.
Very good.
You go home, at home, you open your bag.
Very good.
Your pen is in your bag. What will you do?
What will you do? Okay. So what did they read? The school bell rings. You pack your things in your bag. As soon as the bell rings, what will you do? You will pack your things in your bag. At home, you are going and opening your bag. You see your friend's pen in your bag. What will you do? Yes, come on.
Tomorrow I will give back her pen.
Very good. Give a good clap for him. Yes. So, the next day he will give back his friend's pen, isn't it? Yes. Now, you can go to your place and the next team can come. Come on, read it.
You are in the garden. You are playing with your pet.
Very good.
You ran here and there. You hit a flower pot.
Very good.
He falls down and breaks. What will you do?
What will you do? Yeah, come on.
I will go and say sorry to my mom.
Very good. Give a good clap for her. Yes. So, whenever you are playing, you will break some things. But whenever you do such things, you have to go and inform your parents and say sorry. Okay? Got it?
Yes,
Very good. Sit down. Now, you go to your place and the next team come here. Yeah. Come on, read it.
You go to a shop. You buy a pencil and a pen.
Very good.
You give money.
You give money.
You give money to the shopkeeper.
Very good.
The shopkeeper gives you the
Remaining.
remaining money. It is more. What will you do?
What will you do? The shopkeeper gives you more money as the remaining. What will you do? Yes, come on.
I will give back the extra money.
Very good. Give a good clap for him. Yes. So you have to give back the extra money. You should not take others' money. Isn't it? Okay. Very good. Now you can go to your place. Well done. Now you all did a fantastic job. Give a good clap for everyone. Stop. Now you know how to respond to such kind of situations, isn't it? Yes? Okay. So at home you can practice to respond with different kinds of situations. Okay. Till then, bye.
ஒவ்வொரு குரூப் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ஃப்ரண்ட்ல வந்து அவங்களுக்கு கொடுக்கப்பட்ட ரீடிங் கார்டை போர்டில் பேஸ்ட் பண்ணி குரூப்ல இருக்கிற ஒவ்வொரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டும் ஒவ்வொரு சென்டென்ஸை ரீட் பண்றாங்க. டீச்சர் ஒவ்வொரு குரூப் கிட்ட அவங்களுக்கு கொடுக்கப்பட்ட சிச்சுவேஷன்ஸை ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணி வாட் வில் யூ டூ அப்படின்னு கேட்கும்போது ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ஆப்டா பியூட்டிஃபுல்லா டிஃப்ரெண்ட் கைண்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் சிச்சுவேஷன்ஸ்க்கு ரெஸ்பாண்ட் பண்றாங்க. டீச்சர் அந்த ரெஸ்பான்சஸை ஆக்செப்ட் பண்ணி அப்ரிஷியேட் பண்ணி கிளாஸை இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்காக கொண்டு போறாங்க. தேங்க்யூ.